Hi everyone, this is Steve Lamphere. I'm with Barco. I'm the Overture Channel Development Manager, and we're here at Elmo's E4 in Washington, D.C. And today we are looking at the next version of Overture that was just released. Overture is a software-defined AV control management monitoring solution. And we've just released a new feature called Behaviors 2.0 that make it easier for you to automate tasks. So one of those tasks can be used with something like a Barco ClickShare, so that when a user walks into a room and wants to start a meeting, they can simply go ahead and connect the ClickShare to the USB port in that room. And when the ClickShare synchronizes with the base unit, then the room can automatically turn on. So the lights will turn on. The display can turn on, set itself automatically to the ClickShare input. If you need to use audio in the room, then the audio and the DSP preset automatically start. So we've just set that up to work very simply with a light today. So when I connected it and it synchronized with the base unit, you'll notice that the light automatically turned itself on. By the same token, when the meeting is over, a user can actually just disconnect that same ClickShare button, and based on the inactivity status of the base unit, of the ClickShare base unit, then the room can reset itself back to a default state after a timeout, which I've set to a very short duration here. So that light will go off in a moment. To set those up, we've actually created a really easy user interface for you to do that. So you go to the Overture configurator, and for that room, I have a trigger that I've created. And I'm just going to go ahead and select that trigger. And all I've done is gone in and created a couple of variables. So I gave it a name. I said it's my preset. And when I start my meeting, then I want the light in this room to set itself to soft light. And when the meeting is over, then I just want it to go ahead and tell the lights to turn off. But something actually has to start that on and off condition. And that's called triggers. And all I've done here is I've selected the ClickShare status, whether it's connected or disconnected, to automatically choose my go or stop preset. And it's really that simple for you to go in and create more behaviors. So we've actually taken that process and almost made it like a wizard now. So now if I wanted to go in and do that using the latest version, if I can find macros, there's macros. I can do that exact same process. I go in and I give it a name. I select the variable that I want it to be. So start the lights. Tell it when the lights are connected, and then what should actually be the trigger, the ClickShare button. So in each one of these variables now are automatically shown based on what you select. So if I go in and I select now, for example, the ClickShare activity, or in our case, we wanted to have it be the lights would change. So we'll go in and we'll find the hue, and there's our lighting presets. I'll click OK. I can tell it which one I want it to be, for example, on, and then finally the condition that causes that to happen. So in this case, it could be the ClickShare itself. So we'll make it the ClickShare activity and click OK. And then when the ClickShare activity is equal to in use or not in use. So you can see it's very simple now with Overture to go in and set up behaviors, to automate your meeting room, to automate really any process and use any trigger. So Overture is a great way to enhance ClickShare to give you a better meeting room experience. It also enhances things like just using an occupancy sensor or a motion sensor, something like that. So if you have any questions about anything that I talked about, just let me know. I'm available on LinkedIn. My name is Steve Lamphere, or you can visit barco.com/overture. Thanks.